China is Vietnam's biggest trade partner. But both countries are in competition in international trade. Vietnam takes some precautions to deal with China's decision to devalue its currency. At the same time, Vietnam is trying to increase its export. During this period, the value of China's money decreased by 3.5% against other currencies. The value of Japan's and Korea's currency also fell. This situation makes exports from these countries less costly. Vietnam followed the same way to gain more foreign investment in the country. Manufacturing has key importance in Vietnam's economy. In fact, manufacturing grew by 9% last year. But Vietnam has to compete with other manufacturing countries. Vietnam also has problem with China as Vietnam faces a flood of Chinese imports. Slowing demand in China market is basic reason for this situation. Low taxes and problems in China are resulting in more shipments of Chinese goods and steel to Vietnam. Authorities say that Vietnam shares a border with China, so Vietnam imports a lot from China. Slowing down economy can cause Chinese products to flood the market in Vietnam. Infrastructure investment has also key importance. Asian countries are improving roads, air and sea ports to increase trade. For example, the Philippines increased English-speaking workforce to appeal foreign investment. Like many Asian nations, Vietnam is seeking money for infrastructure projects. There are plans to meet the demand of international cargo shippers. Vietnam has accepted development aid from Japan to build a new airport terminal in Hanoi. Vietnam is opening this terminal soon. Also, more aid has been used to build public transportation system in a big city. With better infrastructure and low-cost labor, Vietnam hopes to develop high-technology products instead of the clothing industry. Intel and Samsung companies have invested billions of dollars in Vietnam since 2010. Vietnam should make financing available to private businesses. Thus, local companies can manufacture, as well. Increase in private investment can decrease poverty in a country.